Your AI isn't stupid, it's just getting terrible directions. What if you could stop shouting prompts and instead give it a perfect, one-word command? We're about to turn your generative AI from a vague conversationalist into a hyper-efficient taskmaster, slashing costs and boosting accuracy to near-perfect levels. This isn't just prompting, this is giving your AI a brain transplant. Before we jump in, subscribe, comment below, get your coding vibe for today. We feed powerful generative ice raw, natural language, hoping for magic. But instead, we get ambiguity, high costs, and inconsistent results. The AI wastes time and money trying to guess our real intent. This script changes that by adding a smart pre-processing layer. It acts like a brilliant receptionist, understanding exactly what you want and directing your request to the right place. Either a simple Python function or the generative AI for complex tasks. For our subscribers, we've got the full vibe prompt. Essentially, you'll ask the AI to build a Python virtual assistant using _neural_intents. It needs to read intents from a JSON file, map them to specific Python functions like fetching stocks or managing a to-do list, and then run an interactive loop. It's about turning natural language commands into real-world actions. First, we import our core libraries, _neural_intents_ for the AI assistant framework, _pandas_datareader_ to fetch live stock data, and _sys_ to help us exit the program gracefully. Next, we set up our global variables. These are simple Python lists that will hold our stock tickers and our initial to-do items. This keeps our data ready and accessible for the assistant. Here's the action. We define Python functions for each task. One to fetch stock prices using an API, and others to show, add, or remove items from our to-do list. We also create a simple _by_ function. Now, we connect language to action. We point to our JSON file that defines user intents. Then, we create a _mappings dictionary. This is crucial. It links the intent _tag like stocks to the _stock_ function we just wrote. We then train and save the model. Finally, the interactive loop. The script prompts for user input, and the assistant. Request method uses our trained model to predict the intent and execute the mapped function. Type show stocks, and it runs your stock function. It's that simple. And there you have it. We've transformed a generic, expensive AI into a sharp, efficient, and cost-effective personal assistant. By pre-processing user intent, we reserve the power of generative AI for when it's truly needed, while handling simple tasks instantly with Python. You get faster, more accurate results for a fraction of the cost. Did you vibe code smarter today?